How to use KOMPIE, our composting toilet at the Hunter's Cabin at Montevue Nature Farm. So right here at the back end of the Hunter's Cabin is an open air room where you will find the composting toilet. So basically you've got a proper toilet seat, nice and comfortable, great view around you. So how it works is, first step, you just open it up, remove the lid, and you do your business. Number 2 goes in that bucket, number 1 goes in this funnel. After you're done doing your number 2, you simply take some sawdust from the sawdust bin over here and you sprinkle it over all the poo in the bucket. This prevents smells and start the composting process. You don't need to empty the urine separator because the urine gets taken away underground. Once the bucket is full, or after the end of your weekend, you simply open it up here, you remove the bucket and you go empty it. Just around the corner there's a composting bin. You can empty it there and it should be fine for the next person to use again. Close the lid, close the toilet, and it's ready for the next person to use. And that's how you use KOMPIE, the composting toilet here at the Hunter's Cabin, Montevue Nature Farm.